मुझे 7 तंदूर रोटी दे दो। कितने रुपए?
140।
अच्छा, 7 तंदूर रोटी। Today my hosts made Nihari. So let's just quickly drop by a paratha shop. I can hear there is a lot of chicken in those boxes. Scent of hens. Look, what's that? On our way to paratha shop, we see a parade. An unmarked police car, possibly police bikes, a police truck, a government cargo truck, a forklift truck, another cargo truck. It felt as if a serious operation is going to begin soon. Dusty. Have to close eyes. Turns out they came to remove some illegally raised shopping cabins. Sellers just jumped out and ran away once they saw this convoy from the distance. And that's the result. All those structures were successfully removed. I will attempt to engage with the seller in Urdu to get a local price.
Cauliflower and this is dal. Also vegetable.
Just like with chai, here liquid dishes also go into a plastic bag. मुझे 7 तंदूर रोटी दे दो। कितने रुपए?
140।
अच्छा, 144.7, meaning 20 for 1. Not bad. 7 tandoor roti. Okay, let's see how tandoori naan bread is made. ये गरम हवा. They roll the dough. गरम हवा आता है. And the clapping guy spreads it like that and glues it inside the tandoor. It is very fascinating how he does this. He makes it look easy. Look at that spin. And clapping hands every time. Here it's visible how the naan sticks to the surface. And now it's time to remove the cooked naans. The dough is covered with flies and the hands might be dirty, but the heat sterilizes the naan, making it safe to eat. There's something therapeutic about watching these tandoor people work. Okay, it's time to return and eat some nihari. So today I'm at regular, average Pakistani people's home and they have cooked Nihari and they are willing to share with me. This is not shop Nihari, this is made in their own kitchen. I saw it myself. In my country there is a belief that homemade food is always better than shop-made food because the ingredients are more natural. You're making food for yourself and you know what you're adding. When you're in a shop, you might add extra flavor enhancers to make it taste better, but it is not as good for health. So let's see how it looks. It looks very good. So now we mix it to see how it looks. There's a film on it. See, there's bones, cow bones, right? Kon siwala hadi, beef. Okay. Okay. You do first.
That looks very legit and impressive.
Liquid and then adding all the vegetables, sabzi on top. And squeezing lemon, I see. So I'll take the same way. Same thing. Okay, since the plate is metal, I can immediately feel that temperature-wise it's very hot. And later we can take bone and eat it too.
Okay, bone there.
And if we cannot open, I can go to the shop and bring hammer. Adding chilies. Did you add onion?
Onion. Onion.
Oh, so you don't add here, you eat. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
It's going to be bad.
So these are typical chilies found in Karachi. I'll let you zoom in. Yeah, just like that. Now adding ginger. Now adding coriander. Yeah, sabzi, konsa sabzi hai.
This is methi.
I know the seeds. Thank you very much. I take one bread.
The religious singing started. It seems everyone is used to that. Only I even noticed it.
So I need to test how well do I remember how to eat without spoon. I hope I don't splash.
Oh wow, this is something special. A flavorful treat.
This is better than shop, dukan, restaurant. In England, you don't get this. You get similar looking, not tasting. Flavor is on another level. Earlier in one shop we tried. This is much better. But yeah, this is better. Yeah. And that's why I came to Karachi to eat this. Now, I'm not that type of person who takes a bite for reaction video and then goes elsewhere and tries anything else. I'm going to finish this and eat more. I started using spoon because it is available and much more efficient. Mirch nahi pasand hai. I eat spicy,
Yeah.
but majority do not.
Yeah.
अभी मैं कुछ हादी चाहिए. मैं हादी longer.
This is empty.
Oh. Okay. This is not empty. So I believe for the bone, I need to try to remove the content from the bone. No, I will open. I saw on YouTube how it is done, so I will try it. I'll try that as well, but there's another method. I was eating with spoon, and people were just grabbing things with hands and bread, and they finished sooner than me. Now it's time to check what's inside the bone, and I saw it's done this way. Okay, it's working.
But
So now I hit like this. I'll need some paper soon.
first you grab this. No.
Yeah. Other side.
Pick it from here
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
And here I am with two people teaching me how to hold my Nihari bone.
First you grab this. First you grab.
I see. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. I got it. Thanks. Yeah, I don't see no more things in the bone. Making content teaches you humility and how to be not greedy. Because what I ate, I feel I could eat maybe 2.5 times more. But we need to save space for more things that are about to come. I'll finish this. So that's all for today. See you during the next trying time.